Hello, good morning. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon, and my show is English in the Garden. But I'm not in the garden. I'm in the university. You know, um, I'm having my morning's coffee as usual. Lovely. You know, when you have coffee, you feel much better, especially in the morning. And talking about English like coffee, it can actually make you think about nouns, uh, and in the English language, you can. We have learned that there are actually countable and uncountable nouns. Uh, Countable nouns like smartphone, like chairs, tables, books, things like that. And you also have uncountable nouns. Uh, for example, like coffee, water, honey, money, air, and sugar, for example. And what's interesting about um, these now is that often they say that you cannot count the coffee, but the thing is that reality is that in language use, often you will count the containers or the you know the objects like a cup of coffee. You can have two cups. For example, I can say that I usually drink. I don't want to have more than two cups of coffee per day or something like that. So you can actually count or measure the number of containers rather than the mass or the content of the matter itself. So so basically, when you like, for example, when you go to a bar, you can order like two beers. You put an S after the word beers, which is acceptable. You can have two coffees, uh, two americanos, something like that. Basically, you are ordering like two cups of americano or two cans or two glasses of beers, but just you shorten it up. So uh, this is what happening. Uh, the most important thing is that you need to understand that in the English language, they classify nouns into two groups: the mass noun and the object nouns, like the countable nouns, something that you can count. Just one tip though, don't forget to put an S or ES, or to change the the markers of those nouns to signify the plurality of that particular nouns. Like you say there are three books, and you choose put an S like three books, for example. So as I'm having my morning coffee, I've just talked to you about the nature of nouns in the English language. Countable noun and uncountable noun. Everything is about the noun. Everybody wants to have money, but you know what? Money is uncountable. I would argue that yeah, we can actually count the money like $10, $10 of money. The money worth $10, something like that, or coffee. This is Friday, so have a good weekend.